great quotes that I've heard from my business partner many moons ago was that you can't be angry and grateful at the same time. So I think you raised a good point there about, having gratitude as a big part of keeping us de-stressed, right?
Yeah.
So maybe you can expand on that a little bit more about tips to remain calm and relax in stressful situations. Because, we're all going to deal with stress. We're all going to get angry at some point. What are some ways that we can really take a moment, take a breath, as it were, and reduce our anger and keep calm?
Yeah, it's a very good question. Nowadays, what happens? People are much more reactive with their own thoughts.
Hmm.
They are not responsive and they are so busy with their own life. Therefore, they are living into the thought of angry, anxiety, worry, fear. So, why it is happening? Because they are reactive. And the second thing, they are living into the thought of the past or the future. So my another important tips, we need to create a gap or a space between two thoughts, between two words, between two action, in order to pay attention, slow down and watch out our thought. So that will help us to live into the present moment awareness, because
Mm,
the more we become angry, the more we become reactive. And why it is happening? Because our mind is very busy with useless and unwanted thought. So it's better to live into the present moment by accepting whatsoever things are there, and don't be reactive. We can be responsive. Just for example, if somebody tried to create a thought of a stress, thought of anger, thought of negativity, thought of darkness upon me, I don't have to pull towards them. Rather, I have to come back into my own space. And how I have to come into my own space? Just bring the awareness of the breath at the top of the nostril while breathing, while breathe out. And another practice, as I said, we should have create a gap or a space, which is very important in order to pay attention and slow down our thought. And we can remain calm and we can easily let go the thought of the past or the future. Yeah.
awesome. And so that makes a lot of sense, right? We do these exercises and we get a result, right? So we go through this process, we do meditation, we go through our work life, we get success by working at this thing, right? So where do these exercises lead somebody? Is there a destination or is it more about the process?
So, it is about the process which ultimately lead into the destination.
Hmm.
So our destination is to be relaxed, is to be calm, is to discover our hidden potential. But
Hmm.
definitely there is some process, as I said, the guided meditation process, like
Hmm.
breathing meditation process, we have to go through it. So that's what it is. Yeah.
And that makes sense. So